Keep it 100, nigga, nothing lesser. I got your bitch counting up the cheddar. Put 7 stitches on my motherfucking sweater. Balenciagas when I'm motherfucking stepping. Yeah. Shout out my cousin, he just beat a felony. I can't be fucking with niggas with jealousy.
What is up? It's your girl Samara, aka American Princess. If you are new to this channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're already part of the family, you already know what to do. You have to keep on watching. In this video, I'm just simply showing you guys this quick and easy, slick braid, you know what I'm saying? You know, I got the little effect at the end, you know? Okay, but anyway, this look was super easy, super simple, and it was very cheap. This hair, like literally everything that I did for this look was literally under $2. Nothing more, nothing less. It just depends on what state you're in, what, you know, location, because sometimes braiding hair could be a little expensive, just depending on what quality hair. But this is just the Kankalon hair. But before we get into this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, and just so some support, because your girl's almost to 1,000 subscribers, y'all. Once I get to 1,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway, so get ready for that. But other than that, let's get into the video. All right, y'all, so this is pretty much my hair state. Y'all, this is real designer right here. Friends Heart. If you ain't got Friends Heart, baby, what designer do you wear? Period. But we're gonna get into this video. But of course, guys, what you need for this simple look, y'all know I love my oil sheen, like that's a must. I have to have your combs. This is my teaser. I use my teaser simply just to kind of tame my flyaways. So you know, like if the gel's not helping it or whatever, I just kind of like just smooth it down. Of course, your brushes and your parting combs. Of course, your rubber band gel that I'm using. You guys can use whatever gel, but I love my Wet Extreme. Like, this thing is just so good. Of course, you need your shining jam to actually do the braid, and then of course you need that edge control, because baby, a finished look is not a look if you don't got your edges done. Because you know I cannot comb my hair when it's dry. Like, I have to get it wet. And y'all may ask, like, why, you know, I have this little white concoction in my little spray bottle, but pretty much I have like a leave-in conditioner in here. I also have like a detangler in here, and I also have aloe vera juice. I have water, and I have some essential oils like tea tree oil, peppermint, and am I missing something? I think those are the only two that I put in here. But yeah, y'all, this works like magic. It makes my hair super, super soft. But let's get into the video. So right now I am just drenching my hair with my white concoction, as you guys already know. Next, I'm using my wet line gel, and I'm just gonna basically put it in the back of my hair. I'm not putting that much like I will in the front, but I'm just making sure that my back part of my hair is doing slick down. Next, I'm just going to do my part. So this is the part that you guys can do. I decided to do a middle part. You guys can do like a side part, a zigzag, or whatever, but I just wanted to do something simple, quick, and easy. And then I put my virgin fertilizer just so my hair can stay just hydrated, and plus I like my hair to grow while I'm doing these easy and quick protective hairstyles. And I'm just making sure that my edges are getting hydrated and moisturized as well. But this thing right here is the truth. If you haven't already, check out my hair growth video. And then of course I'm just going to drench my hair from the front really good to where I can just comb it out without any tangles. So since I have detangler and conditioner in here, it is coming out as white, but as soon as you brush it off, it's going to go away. So as you can see, since I'm brushing it, it's just basically just going away. But yeah, so don't mind that. Alright, so I'm just going to put my wet line gel and I'm putting it at my roots, and I'm just going to drag it all the way down. You know, I just want this look to be really sleek and laid to the T. And so I'm just going to use a hard brush just to lay it down. And yeah, I'm just trying to make it real sleek, y'all. So, and then I'm just going to put the rest of my hair into a ponytail. And that is pretty much how I do it. I like to just separate my hair because it's easier, because I just have so much hair. Okay, and then I'm just going to lay my hair down while I put this braid on. Okay, and I'm just going to be putting in my braiding hair gel, and I'm just going to put that at the end of my ponytail so it can be easier for me to put my braid on there. As you can see, I am using old hair. This bag of hair was like $2 literally, and I am just trying to make sure that the hair is the length that I want. So I'm just kind of tweezing it and just playing with it just so I can get it the length that I want. And then I'm just going to tie it on my ponytail. And then now I'm just going to take out an extra piece of hair. And then with the remaining left of hair, I'm just going to divide it, my fake hair with my real hair. And I'm just going to braid it in, if that makes sense. And I'm just gonna keep braiding it into the end, but I decided to stop braiding it towards the end. I decided to get me some rollers and kind of do me like a little curl, like, you know, I want to give like a little Pocahontas thing. I'm just going to wrap the remaining hair that I had left out, and I'm just going to wrap it around my ponytail just so it can look like this pony or this braided ponytail is coming from my actual head, so it can look natural. This is my favorite part. I'm going to be using my even edge control gel, and I'm just going to put it at the basically the edges of my head, and I just want that part to just really be sleek and laid to the T. And yeah, y'all, this is just the most important part. And I'm just going to use my parting comb, and I'm just going to basically curve it the way that I want it and just sculpt it the way that I want it. And I'm just going to do it on the same side on the other side. And then I got me some hot water, and I'm just going to dip my curls into this water, you know what I'm saying? And then bam, y'all, this is pretty much the finished look, as you guys can see. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy and simple slick braid. Okay, this braid can be done anyways, however you want it to be done. You could do a side part, middle part, whatever the case, but I decided to do a middle part. And you know, your girl's feeling herself, point blank period. Tell me what you think about this look, and also you know, what other styles do you want me to incorporate that you want me to style on my head. But yeah, if you haven't already, you already know what to do. You have to like, comment, and subscribe, because it's what? Baby, it's free. F-R-E-E. It's not worth $1, $10, nor $50. It's not worth nothing. It's just free. Okay? We're almost close to 1,000 subscribers, y'all. So let's get it pumping and going. But other than that, bye y'all. Peace.